Be ready. Start. Held that further a perusal of the explanation given by the respondent contemner shows that he had deliberately defied the order passed by this court, played with the liberty of a citizen while arresting him despite stay granted by this court, and then tried to explain the same by attributing negligence on the part of the law officer. Stop. This has compounded the offence committed by the respondent contemner. Stop. The plea raised by the respondent contemner that leniency be shown to him considering his long unblemished service cannot be accepted for the reason that earlier service is not a certificate for permitting anyone to do a wrong at the fag end of his career. Stop. Every action of an employee has to be tested individually. Stop. However, past conduct may result in awarding him severe punishment but will not absolve of the offence committed. Stop. Rather, the fact that the respondent contemner had 34 years service to his credit and in his service career he may have dealt with hundreds of cases and still violated the order passed by this court shows that the action was deliberate. Stop. He cannot be permitted to plead ignorance, especially being part of law enforcement agency. Stop. Arrest of an innocent person is certainly a blot in his career. Stop. He had to remain in jail till such time he was directed to be released on bail by this court on 18/5/2011 after his arrest on 26/4/2011. Stop. Para. Further held that it is a settled principle of law that contempt is a matter primarily between the court and the contemner. Stop. The court has to take into consideration the behavior of the contemner, attendant circumstances, and its impact upon the justice delivery system. Stop. If the conduct of the contemner is such that it hampers the justice delivery system as well lowers the dignity of the courts, then the courts are expected to take somewhat stringent view to prevent further institutional damage and to protect the faith of the public in the justice delivery system. Stop. Where the conduct is reprehensible as to warrant condemnation, then the court essentially should take such contempt proceedings to their logical end. Stop. There cannot be mercy shown by the court at the cost of injury to the institution of justice system. Stop. Para. Further held that in the present case the respondent contemner in his reply affidavit has not disputed the observations made by this court in the show cause notice issued to him. Stop. He has only attempted to tender an unconditional apology for his acts and omissions, which certainly were prejudicial to the administration of justice and have adversely affected the rights of Paras Sharma. Stop. The examination of the factual matrix of the present case and conduct of the respondent contemner, particularly the reply filed by him, places it beyond ambiguity that the charges framed against the respondent contemner, namely arrest of Paras Sharma in violation of the interim protection granted to him are approved. Stop. The explanation of the contemner is clearly not acceptable. Stop. The only conclusion which can be reached in the facts and circumstances of the case is that the contemner had deliberately flouted the order passed by this court. Hence, he is guilty of contempt of this court. Stop. Over.